Hi everybody, I'm Lady Red. This is Lady Red's Tech Reviews. Today we're going to take a quick look and unbox the Samsung A02s. Brand new and available at Cricket Wireless. So stay here, leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content, drop a comment if you have any questions, and as always, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and get all the notifications for the new videos. Okay, so we have a new device in the lineup, the Samsung A02s, brand new right here at Cricket Wireless. We're going to take a quick look, not go too far in depth, with the Samsung A02s today. So stay here, let's take a look at it. And as always, pricing and availability, please call your local retailer or check online. And full specs will be at the very end of the video, so stay here, watch those there. Alright, here we have the A02s, brand new by Samsung, Android smartphone with large 6.5-inch HD Plus display, octa-core processing power, and 4G LTE speed. 13x2x2 triple rear cameras with LED flash and powerful 5,000 mAh battery. Let's take it out and take a look at it. Okay, inside we've got the device. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Volume 1 of Stuff People Don't Read. Your SIM card. It comes with every Cricket branded device. Volume 2 of Stuff People Don't Read. We have your Type-C charging cord and your charging block. And for all specs, including charging specs, stay till the end of the video. Alright, now let's see what we got here. Something I have noticed with the last few phones that have come out is a big 5,000 mAh battery. That is awesome, because anymore the 27, 25, 3,000 mAh that has been standard for so long in so many phones, even the 33, is still not enough for the power that we are looking for in our new devices today. So with that, this does have a good weight because it is a little bit heavier. The back of the phone has a new kind of grid texture. Very nice. No Cricket tramp stamp. We do have your Samsung branding. And there is your triple camera dock. On top, you've got your top mic on the front. There is your neat little near notch display. And you've got your volume rocker and power key. Note, there is no Bixby button, there is no Google Assistant button, but you do have your SIM slot right here. 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, Type-C charging, and bottom firing speaker. So let's fire it up and take a look. Okay, so we've got it all set up, and there is no, oh wow, there's nothing. Of course we have the scoop, but as you've known, Samsung, when you swipe, used to be it was Bixby, then it was, I don't know, it was something else. And now we have nothing. So if you do like the Google News feed, you will need to download that Google launcher. Alright, let's check out the settings. Sounds and vibration, that's where you're going to be able to change the volumes and your volume settings, your ringtones, all of that good stuff. Alright, your connections. Your Wi-Fi, you can check your data usage here. If you have mobile hotspot and tethering, that's where you would go. Let's check more connection settings. And here you have your VPN information. And if you are getting poor signal, you can reset your network settings. Moving right along, we've got the notifications, which I prefer to do these another way. But if you want to change the sounds of your notifications, we're going to do that here. And we're going to go ahead and turn the scoop off, just because it annoys me that much. So, display, this is where you would change the brightness. Go from light mode. Dark mode is available, of course. Font size and style. If you have trouble seeing your screen, you want to increase the font size, make it a little easier. You can use bold font here. Change your font style. All of that will be available right here. And your wallpapers, your themes, lock screen, and you are going to have different options, including facial recognition. There is not a fingerprint scanner. Okay, biometrics, facial recognition is available, but like I said, no fingerprint scanner. Encrypt or decrypt your SD card and your other security settings. Privacy, location, accounts and backup, Google, advanced gest features. Let's see what we've got here. The side key, quick launch to the camera or open the app for a double tap. Direct share, reduce animations, motions and gestures, one-handed mode, dual messenger. This is available if you've got like 2 people, or maybe you have a business account and a personal account. Send SOS messages. That's something new. And if you want to switch over to the navigation bar, you would do that. You could do that from there. And here we go, down into the funky part. The apps. The bloatware is strong, y'all. The bloatware is strong with Cricut in 2021. You're going to have a lot of bloatware. So, yes, I expect to hear about this in the comments. No, I can't do anything about it. It just is what it is. But what you can do about it, it's very easy. Uninstall them, just like that. You find the apps that you don't want and uninstall them, just like that. Some apps, like Chrome, this is what you're going to want to do. Go to notifications and turn them off. Why? Because you will get some very obscene notifications sent to your phone. I have seen little old ladies just scared to death somebody had done hacked into their phone because they were getting some obscene and vulgar notifications, and it was just Chrome being Chrome. So, moving right along, what you're going to definitely want to take out is going to be mobile services. Turn this off as soon as you get your phone, and you're going to do it like this. Make sure it says no permissions. If there are permissions, then turn them off. Turn off the notifications, and mobile data, turn it off. Don't let it use data, and then disable. And that's all you got to do. That's a tracker. In case you're wondering what that is, it is a tracker. And the scoop. I hate the scoop. It's the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Turn off data. Do this one the same way. Permissions, no permissions. Notifications are already blocked. And then we're going to disable it. Just like that. The scoop is a news feed. And it's just there to annoy you, basically. But anything you don't want in your phone, that's how you can take it out. General management, language and input if you want to use different languages in your keyboard. And there to factory reset or reset your network settings. Software updates are going to be found here. About phone. We don't have a SIM card in there, so there is no phone number. Your IMEI information. Legal, software information. We are still running Android 10, but we're running One UI 2.5. And to open up developer options, tap that 7 times. And that's how you turn that on. And you can see Android security patches is current as of March 1st, 2021. All right, developer options. If you don't know what you're doing, stay out of that one. All right, general navigation. You've got a few on-screen apps. Flip up and then sideways to see what you have. And apps as they download may not always land on your home screen, but you will be able to find them here. camera. Let's see what we've got going with the camera. Alright, and you've got a quick little tutorial here. Those things just irritate me sometimes. Alright, live focus. This is what you're going to use for portrait mode. Just a standard picture, and you're going to have wide angle available with this. You can use it either way, either in landscape or portrait mode. I prefer landscape for wide angles. You can see there is this definite difference. Video mode, more, and that's where you're going to get your pro mode, your panoramic, and the macro is available with this one too. So that's pretty cool. Other than that, we've got pretty standard stuff here. Standard Samsung. So, without further ado, this is a quick unboxing. Tell me what you think about it. If time allows in the future, I will try to do a further in-depth video, but for now, this is as quick as it's ever going to get for an unboxing on my channel. The specs for this are rolling up, so just make sure you stay here and take a look at those, and that should answer all of your questions about the camera and all other internal specifications for this phone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Lady Red. Let's take a look at those specs.